In this video, we are introducing key features or overview summary of Yigiao Dishwasher Pump. Let's get started. Is your dishwasher struggling to clean dishes effectively? The Yigiao Dishwasher Circulation Pump, compatible with whirlpool and maytag models like WDT 730 PA-Z0 and WDT 730 PAHW, could be the solution. This high-quality replacement pump, also known as W10612327, W10805387, W24,423, and W521436, ensures efficient water circulation for thorough cleaning. Say goodbye to dirty dishes and hello to sparkling clean results. The pump is designed for easy installation, saving you time and money compared to professional repairs. It's built to last, providing reliable performance for years to come, giving you peace of mind knowing your dishwasher is in good hands. This durable and efficient pump offers a cost-effective solution to restore your dishwasher's cleaning power quickly and easily. Don't let a faulty pump ruin your dishes. Upgrade to the Yigiao Dishwasher Circulation Pump today. For full features and full reviews, check the link in the video description. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications.